Welcome to Stanley Studios, and today is a hands-on video about MTN. They're having a loyalty reward, but then using your points. But then this time it's not just the using the points for airtime and then I think data and the rest. Okay, this time you can use it for parcels, and so we will go into their apps. So you need to get the My MTN app. You need to get the My MTN app. When you open it, you will see this is your Stanley. This is my platform. So you would come to home. Let's go to home, and then you can see this is what we are looking at. Okay, this is what we are looking at, the loyalty points. So you can tap on it, the loyalty points. So MTN rewards and then loyalty points. So you can redeem points for airtime, data, transfer, and then others. So this is where you transfer to other people, and then this is for airtime. You can use the points for airtime. That's 40,000 for 20 cities. You can use it for data too. So 4,000 1 day for 120 MB. Yes, so as in how you want it, the number of points you have, and so you can transfer to somebody to if you want the person to get the points. And so others, they say you can use it for just Chinese, Santino's restaurant, X-Men, retro eyeglasses. You get 300 points for 15% discount on their product, 600 points for 30% discount, and 200 points for discounts, 10% discount on just Chinese, 200 points for Santino's restaurants, 10% discount. So I will be trying, I think, all of them, but I'm not interested in all these. I'm interested in the Enjoy Friday offer. You realize that there is what we call redeem your first reward at 50% off every Friday. That was what it used to be available, but now you can see redeem your loyalty points and every Christmas goodie, I think, is gone. So let's wait for it. So I tap on this one, and then we can see that you can use the MTN points for a t-shirt, or what they call the melange golf top, or you can use it for the MTN Bluetooth buds. That is 80,000 points. And then there is the MTN metal flask with a lid cap, and then there is 100 cities voucher Melcom, that's 50,000 points. And there is MTN promotional backpack that is going for 80,000 points. 80,000 points. So looking at my points, I'm having 77,620, but actually what I want to get is the cap. I'm not interested in the t-shirt. I'm not interested in this, not this too. I wanted this, but anyways, you can go for only one. So let me go for the cap, and then I think this is, when I do it, I'm going to be left with 7,000 points if you complete this payment. So let's see if MTN is going to fulfill their promise. Confirm. Enjoy your redemption. You have successfully redeemed 7,000 points for MTN Metal Flask with lead cup. You will be contacted by MTN with. Okay, so let me screenshot. Okay, I think I'll have it. Yeah, so I'm taking this into details. I'll screenshot it and keep it there. Talk, test, and browse more to accrue more points. Okay, done. That is good. So I still have 620 more points available. Let's go to this. Every Friday. Is it redeem every Friday? No. Yeah. So okay, this is done. So I think the Friday one, 50% off every Friday. Okay, I'll need to wait for Friday and then use it again. Let me go to others. Let me get 20 residential area restaurant. I'm not tried just Chinese, so let me redeem. Let me see. Let me redeem. Go ahead and redeem 200. That's 10% discount. Let me confirm. I'll just try because of MTN. I'll just try their meal because of MTN. And Santino's restaurant, Boundary Road, Omekomo City Star Building. Food, meat, and sausage, dining and takeaway. Santino's restaurant, I've not heard it, I've not seen it in Accra, so I'll still redeem because I have more points. 10% off discount. So please send it to Santino's restaurant to redeem discount. Okay, so I still have more points. Let me go to X-Men, East Legon, opposite Papa's Pizza, male grooming and wellness. Okay, so I have that is 600 points for, let's say. So you have successfully redeemed 600 points for 30% discount at X-Men. Please send it to X-Men to redeem discount. Okay, I will do so. So let's go to, I think the last one, retro eyeglasses, 15% discount. I go, they said retro eyeglasses by Tasha, Accra, Alajo. So I will need to contact them, and I'm working and online and see if I can get some 15% off frames, and then so click go ahead to redeem. I redeemed this one too. So right now I think I have redeemed almost all just Chinese, Santino's, X-Men, retro glasses. I have almost all of them. I don't know if I can still go on and use another 600 points to get almost like 60% off. Really? Okay. That's serious. I can still go ahead and get 60%, but will I be able to use the 60%? But I need 100% deal off. 100% deal. Okay, I think I will just do, I won't be greedy. So it's left in my 6,320 points, and on Friday I might do a video about this 50% off every Friday. So yeah guys, so if you use MTN and then you've been using it for years, I personally have been using my MTN SIM, and then I have routers, Turbonet, and all that been buying it. So I think I got a lot of loyalty points. So you can check on your MTN app platform and see if you have huge loyalty points, and then use it to redeem the goodies, the Christmas goodies this Christmas season. So Merry Christmas, enjoy the Christmas festivities. Know that the reason for the season is Jesus. So It's not your birthday, it's Jesus' birthday. Don't go and stress yourself too much. Use MTN's loyalty point to get some coins, and also some percentage off on some stuff, and just chill, but don't freeze. Okay, so have a nice day. Thank you for watching this YouTube video, and see you next time. Bye 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 bye.